The Template Manager includes a wide range of templates for all kinds of use cases. But if you want something custom, you can easily create your own templates using the template editor. In this video, I'll walk you through how to build a simple SWOT analysis template. Let's start by activating template mode and opening the template editor. The template editor is an SVG-based editor that lets you design templates using shapes and text. I recommend switching to full screen mode to make the most of your workspace. On the right-hand side, you'll see options to adjust the canvas size, width, height, and even the background color. You can pick a shade from the color swatches or enter a specific hex code. You can also adjust the zoom level at the bottom of the canvas. Let's begin building our layout. First, head over to the left toolbar and select the Square Shape tool. Then, draw a rectangle on your canvas. Since I don't want a border, I'll set the stroke width to 0. Next, I'll fine-tune the size and position of the rectangle using the panel on the right. I'm leaving a bit of space at the top and left. I'll use that later for labels. To customize the look, open the color panel and set a fill color of your choice. Next, let's create 3 copies of the rectangle. You can do this by using the standard copy-paste shortcuts, or by holding down the Alt or Option key while clicking and dragging the shape to duplicate it. Once duplicated, position the rectangles with exactly 10 pixels of spacing between them. You can do this by adjusting the X and Y values manually, and by using the Align panel on the right. To select multiple shapes at once, hold down the Control or Command key while clicking on each shape. Finally, to make the sections visually distinct, I'll apply a different color to each one. Now it's time to add text. Select the Text tool from the left toolbar, click on the canvas, and start typing. You can adjust the font in the text panel on the right. I'm going to label each section and use the Align panel to position the labels in the center of each square. Then I'll add the header text. For vertical text, I'll rotate the text boxes. You can do this by changing the values in the rotation field on the right, or using the rotate handle that appears when you hover near a corner of your element. Hold Shift to snap the rotation to 45-degree increments. Once everything looks the way you want, just click Save and place your template anywhere on the board. And that's it. Your custom template is ready to use. If you'd like to learn more about working with templates or using IntelliFrames, check out the other videos in this tutorial series or visit our website. You'll also find a complete list of editor shortcuts in our Help Center. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating.